And as you can see, I am not dead.
Finally, I am back.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys.
As you can see, my last video was literally 6 months ago. Since then, I never uploaded anything. I just vanished. So nothing wrong, I just wanted to take a little break, and now the break is over.
I am back.
Let's start at the beginning, one last time.
First of all, I changed few things like my logo. Here's the old one and here's the new one. Not a big change, but I thought this version is cool. Next, obviously I changed my setup background. Here's the old one and here's the new one. After that, I changed my intro, which you will see in few seconds. And then my Among Us sticker, which I custom made this time from scratch. Finally, I changed my profile pic. If you know me, you know that I make these custom profile pics once in a while. I normally don't record editing my own pics, but this time I did. So let me walk through how I made this scary, funny profile pic. And here's the new intro.
25 racks. Yeah, just got started and we ain't done yet. But a new crib, that's a guy.
Once that's done,
What the hell?
you can see I did something to my teeth to make it kind of cool, but don't worry, I changed it in the end. Alright, after that I grabbed this ear and masked it out to replace my ear. The skin tones are a bit off, let's do some color magic. Then I got rid of sharp edges and nicely merged with my ear. Then I added a slight liquify effect to make my ear like an elf in the Hobbit movie. I wanted a textured messy hair, but I have this boring hair that I can't even comb. So I grabbed this boy's hair and merged it with mine. While doing this, I felt like a GTA bub. I found this skull render on Pinterest and I thought this will be cool to add on my face, like a mask. Spent a lot of time in this part because this is gonna be the main focus in this edit. It's better spending more time. At this point I am very satisfied but felt something is missing. So I thought, let's make the hoodie black. Boom, wow, now it's better. Also this is the vibe I'm looking for. Did some hair patches here and there. You know, boys' hair doesn't look cool in photos. Break. Welcome to DarkderGram.
Call me Ringo, baby, I'm a star. Glowing in the dark, big brand like I'm star. Right now you gotta know who the fuck we are. Hush, hush, stumbling through, tap dancing on.
So if you want to get featured in my next video, make sure to use hashtag Darkder in your next Instagram post. Back to the video. After that I tried adding some backgrounds, but nothing felt good, so I went with the plain backdrop. To make it a bit spooky, I painted my eyes white. Now it's time to clean things up, like adding highlights and painting over imperfections. Wow, looks cool. And finally let's add some details. Actually, I like this version than the previous one. This is dark and moody. That's what I wanted. And yeah, that's it for today. Subscribe, go to my Instagram, like this post, and keep in touch. Oh, by the way, I'm in Threads now. Go follow. I will post stupid things there. And yeah, that's it. Bye.
Call me Ringo, baby, I'm a star. Glowing in the dark, big brand like I'm star. Right now you gotta know who the fuck we are. Hush, hush, stumbling through, tap dancing all these bars. Yeah,
I go over anything like ranch. Facts. Think I want a yacht and a ranch. Yes,